Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Success Point. Today we are going to learn banks and simple interest. Practice set 41. Okay students, let's see question number 5.1. Here the question is given: principal 4200, rate 7% per annum, time 3 years. We need to find interest and amount. Now let's see how to find it. We know the formula. What is that formula? Formula is I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, I hope you remember this formula. Okay, now after this, what we will get? We will write principal. Principal is 4200 multiplied by rate. Rate is 7% and T is 3 upon 100. Okay, so here 0 get cancelled. Okay, what we will get? We need to just multiply these numbers so that we can find interest. I is equals to 42 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. Here I am directly multiplying with 7. What we will get? 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Multiply by 3. I is equals to 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So we got interest as rupees 882. Now we need to find amount, and we know the formula for amount as well. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Principal is 4200 plus interest, we got it as 882. So we will get 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 8 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, 5. This is our amount. So final answer, amount we will get 5082 and interest 882. Take the screenshot. Okay, let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says interest is given as 1200, rate 6% per annum, time 4 years. We need to find principal and amount. So how to find it? We know. What we know, students? We know the formula. What is that formula? Formula is interest is equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. I hope till now you people might have remembered this formula. Now we need to put the values. What are the values? I is 1200. 1200 is equals to principal, we don't know, rate 6 time 4 upon 100. Okay students, so we are cutting it. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and 4 25s are 100. This 25 I am taking to this side and 6 to left hand side. So what we will get? We will have 1200 multiplied by 25 upon 6 is equals to P. Okay. Now again we are going to cancel 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 0 0 added. Okay. Now we will have 200 multiplied by 25 is equals to P. So therefore principal is equals to 25 twos are 50 and 1 2, 2 zeros are remaining. So we will write that 2 zeros. Okay, we are getting principal as 5000. Now as we know the formula for amount, we will write the value for amount as well. A is equals to principal plus interest. Principal we found as 5000 interest we have been given as 1200. So we will add both of these, we will get 6200 as amount. This is simple. I hope you might have understood. Take the screenshot. Okay students, let's see question number 3. Here principal is given as 8000, rate is given as 5% per annum, interest is given as 800. We need to find time and amount. How to find it? We know the formula. We will write, we know, what we know, that is I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. I is given as 800, so we are putting 800 in place of I. Principal is given as 8000, so we are putting 8000. Rate is given as 5, so we are putting 5. Time we don't know, so we are keeping it as it is, upon 100. Here we will cancel these two zeros. Okay, 0 0 cancel. Now 80 will be taken to left hand side and 5 will be taken to left hand side. It will become denominator. It will come into denominator. So we will have 800 upon 80 multiply by 5 is equals to remaining is T. Okay students, I hope this is understood. 80 is going in denominator, 5 is also going in denominator, as these are multiplication. Okay, so here we will cancel these two zeros. First 0 0 cancel, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 zeros are 0. Okay, so we will have 10 upon 5 is equals to T. Therefore 5 ones are 5 twos are, so therefore T is equals to 2 years. We got years as 2. We found time. Now we want to find amount. So the formula for amount is A is equals to P plus I. That is, amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal is given as 8000 and interest is given as 800. These two values are given in this question. So we are going to add these two. We will have 8,800 rupees is always comes in rupees, comes for rupee sign, that's why we put rupees sign, but time in years, that's why we are putting years. Okay students, take the screenshot. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 says interest is rupees 6,000, amount is rupees 18,000, rate 5% per annum. We need to find principal and time. Okay, so how to find it? We know. This is really easy sums. We know amount. So what is the formula for amount? Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Okay, here we have the value for amount, so we will put the value for amount 18,000. We don't know principal, but we know interest. Interest is 6,000. So this 6,000 to come left hand side, it will become minus. It will become 18,000 minus 6,000 is equals to principal. Now 18,000 minus 6,000 is 12,000. So therefore principal is rupees 12,000. Okay students, we got the principal. Now just let me know what is the formula for interest. Now I hope you people remember the formula for interest, students. It is really easy. P into R into T upon 100. Now we require T, that's why we are writing this formula. Interest we know. Interest is 6,000. So we will write 6,000 is equals to principal we just found, that is 12,000. Interest rate of interest is 5. T we don't know, upon 100. Okay students, so we will cancel out this. 0 0 0 0 is cancelled. Now we are taking these numerators to left hand side. It will become divide. These are in multiply form, so it will become divide is equals to T. Okay, so here 0 0 got cancelled. 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60, 1 0 added. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0. So therefore final answer we are getting T is equals to 10 years. I hope this is understood student. This is really easy. You need to just divide it. If you don't know division, you may divide it as the basic one, basic method. Take the screenshot. Okay students, let's see question number 5. This is the last sums for this question number 5. This is the 5th question. The question is given, I is equals to 2400, time is given as 5 years, rate is given as 2.5% per annum, principal is need to found, amount need to be find. Okay, principal and amount need to be find. Let's see, we know what is the formula for interest. Now I hope this is the last sums for your chapter, so I hope this formula might have remembered by you people. T into R into T upon 100. Interest, we know interest, that is 2400 multiply by is equals to P. P is not given, so we will write P. R is given as 2.5. 2.5 can be written as 2.5 also student. If you will write 2.5, then also it is okay. If you will write 1 upon 2, then also it is okay. T is given as 5 upon 100. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this term here, or that we can directly cancel it. Let me cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 2.5 and 20. Now I am cancelling that point. Let me cancel it here. 2400 is equals to P into 2.5 upon 20. Okay students, just pay attention. Now here I am taking out this point, so I required multiplication of 10 so that I can dissolve this point, decimal point. If I am multiplying 10 in numerator, so I need to multiply 10 in denominator as well. So we will get 2400 is equals to P into 25. It is getting multiplied, and here these two numbers are getting multiplied. 20 multiplied by 10 is 200. So I am going to cancel this 25 and 200. 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. This 8 will come on left hand side. It will become 2400 multiplied by 8 is equals to P. So therefore I am going to multiply these two terms. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So we got this principal amount as 19,200. Okay students, take the screenshot.